Several groups of Colorado parents are suing state officials over a new law that expands protections for transgender people. The Kelly Loving Act says refusing to use a person's chosen name or pronoun is an act of discrimination. News 5's Maggie Bryan is joining us now in studio. And Maggie, the groups of parents say this law goes against their right to free speech.
Diane, in this lawsuit, the groups of parents say they do not want to be forced to call a biological man a woman and vice versa. And they say the state has no right to make them do that. The Kelly Loving Act is named after one of the 5 victims of the Club Q shooting that happened in November of 2022 in Colorado Springs. Kelly was a transgender woman. The law requires schools, workplaces, restaurants, and other public places to use a transgender person's chosen name and pronouns, and refusing to do so would go against Colorado's anti-discrimination law. In this lawsuit, parents say the state cannot suppress certain viewpoints simply because it disagrees with them. Specifically, that Coloradans should not be punished for expressing their views about sex and gender. Today, I spoke with Z. Williams. They work for a law firm that supports the new law. They say transgender people should be able to go to work and have their employer call them by their chosen name and pronouns, and says this law makes sure that happens. The federal lawsuit was filed yesterday. We'll continue to track its progress through the court system. In studio, I'm Maggie Bryan, News 5.